Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today of course will be Patch Tuesday coming up soon, and that means that for some of those that have been asking me when will I get the new features for Moment 4, they're going to start rolling out today for you guys. So if you haven't installed the bug fixing updates, and which was also Moment 4 at the end of September, you will get this today at the same time as you, of course, get the Patch Tuesday updates with an improved File Explorer with a little more details and a few little things, including the famous Copilot also. That will show up on your taskbar on your computer. Of course, today is security updates mostly, so apart from that we'll install, if you haven't done it already, the security updates is going to be interesting to see how much is there. There's 0 days and what's exactly going to be the problem or not, and how many security updates will the Microsoft products have today. That'll be something to check out. But mainly this video is to address what I get regularly as messages in the past few days and maybe a couple of weeks, is when do I get Moment 4 features. And remember, not all features are going to be there. So for one that seems to be common to everybody's Copilot, some don't have the File Explorer, some don't have other parts of what's in here. But overall you will, because Microsoft kind of turns on these features slowly here and there, and basically eventually all of the features will be turned on within the next couple of weeks. Now, some are asking me, will today be the day where we actually move on to 23H2? We don't know. We don't know when that's going to be. It could be today. Yeah, who knows? But it could still be in a couple of weeks from now. We're going to see this, of course, as time goes by with the different updates that will arrive, of course. And looking at your Windows version command, that's where you'll see where you are. Now, I'm at 23H2 because I'm on release preview here, but most of you are still on 22H2 right now. So we'll see if that comes with today's Patch Tuesday update. Remember that the Moment 4 and the new features are mostly from the updates of September, late September. The 23H2 upgrade is more of, they call it an enablement package. It's like what Windows 10 did from 21H2 to 22H2. It's just actually moving the build number to a new build number for Windows. Also, remember, for all of those that are on 21H2, this is your last Patch Tuesday on Windows 11. So this means you need to move on, and you'll have to force it if you don't see it. You'll have no choice, or else you will actually not be secure in the next weeks and months. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.